Here is clay soil, garden soil, dry leaf and cow dung compost, water. In a bowl, mix together garden soil and compost. Slowly mix in water with your hands until everything sticks together. Roll the mixture into firm balls with seeds. Seed balls should be pressed halfway into the soil so that they can get plenty of sun and moisture. They are planted in the wrong location. Sometimes they are planted in the wrong climate or in the wrong landscape position. It's important to know what plants are native to your region and where they like to grow. Leave the balls to dry in a sunny spot. After 2 days, plant your seed bombs by throwing them at bare parts of the garden and wait to see what pops up.